Good morning, welcome to our second day of hike. He went get water for breakfast and we're just trying out our tent. Let's go. Okay. We ate. Now we're ready to go to Enchanted Valley. So we're gonna go to the campsite that we're gonna camp first to set up tent, then go to Enchanted Valley. Unfortunately, we didn't get a campsite at Enchanted Valley, so just gonna go there to chill for a little bit, then come back to a different campsite. Such nice weather. It's very nice. This morning I woke up at 7:30 a.m. Then I didn't see him next to me. I thought I was like, oh, he must have gone to the bathroom. Then 5 minutes later, he's still not there. Then I'm like, wait, why is he gone for so long? Then he moved in his sleeping bag. He was completely inside. So his pillow was empty. Like, I did not see him. I told him that he lost so much weight. I can't even find him in a 2 people's tent. Unreal! How pretty this is. Here grows some mushrooms. No name for it. I love you. I will see it to you every day. And secretly on every hike. Alrighty, we arrived at where we're gonna camp tonight. It's pretty good, yeah. So we're gonna set up our tent first here, then hike to Enchanted Valley. Snow Peak in the distance. My legs, I can feel my legs now. Getting tired. Whew. Can't imagine how hot summer can be in here. because right now it's only April and still so warm already. Dun, 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 dun. You can see the valley already, the mountain. Finally. Pretty high up. So high. How cool. Can see the many waterfalls. Snow melted, then a bunch of waterfalls come from the top of the mountain. Oh, this is really beautiful. It's very beautiful. Too bad that we didn't get a campsite here. I feel like camp here in the morning in the valley probably really pretty. You know, maybe foggy and all that. Well, not this time. We're just gonna spend time here. Maybe drink a coffee and enjoy the view. Okay, we found the perfect spot to snack. Gonna eat late lunch and have coffee and enjoy this view. So pretty! Look at the clouds! Okay, now we are making our way back to the campsite from Enchanted Valley. It's another 4 miles, I think. Yeah. It feels so nice. The afternoon sun, gentle breeze. It looks so beautiful. I gotta say the overall the hike is not very hard though. The distance is far, but the elevation is not bad. So you just need to take your time, and it's pretty chill hike. We have tried that one before and we really like it, but this chicken fried rice is something new that we're gonna try. The pad thai earlier was not my favorite. I probably won't buy again. Today's fire is on.